Windows 11 builds on the excellent Windows 10 multitasking functions, with many different ways to split your screen to enjoy maximum productivity. If you're a seasoned Windows 10 user, a lot of this will feel familiar. However, it's helpful to learn about the many small and large changes to Windows management in Windows 11. In this video, you'll learn how to use split screen on Windows 11. If you want to maximize a window, grab it by the title bar and then push it against the top center of the screen. You'll see a translucent shade form to show you which space the window will take up. Release the mouse button to complete the process. Be careful when you push the window against the center of the screen. If you aren't careful, you'll shift the window to one of the 1/3 screen positions. The 1/3 screen snap positions are great for sites and apps that work well in vertical mode and don't need lots of horizontal space. For example, you can snap Twitter's web page into the 1/3 screen position and use the 2/3 space for your primary application. Windows 11 takes all the guesswork out of arranging your windows into productive snapped positions. All you have to do is hover the mouse pointer over any Windows Maximize button and you'll see a selection of preset snap layouts. These include a 50-50 left to right split, which is perfect for two browser windows or a browser and a word processor side by side. There's also a 75-25% split, which is suitable for the website and social media split we just discussed. It's also great if you have a messaging program such as Telegram or WhatsApp that you need to watch as you work. There's also a 33-33-33 split, which would be helpful for social media management or data entry between multiple spreadsheets. There's also a 50% left split with stacked right-hand quadrants. Maybe you want to watch some Netflix, work on your project, and keep an eye on your chats. You can also split your window into 4 quadrants. Crypto traders most likely use this, stock market investors, and the architect from the Matrix. Finally, there's a 25-50-25 split. I'm not sure what this one is for, but I'm sure somebody out there will use it. You can easily mix and match the different elements by clicking which percentage split you want in each window. Simply highlight any of the separate window split examples and select them. Using the snap feature to split your screen in Windows 11 is intuitive, but there's an additional feature that can make it even better for your productivity. Windows 11 groups snapped windows with their friends. So, if you've, for example, snapped 2 sets of windows into 50-50 arrangements, you can switch between them as linked groups instead of clicking on each individually. This makes it easy to change between different arrangements. For example, if you've set up the 4-quadrant arrangement to monitor 4 different market indicators, you can switch between that and a 50-50 productivity app split. All you have to do is hover over the taskbar icon of any window that's part of a given group, and then click on the group representation to the right of the individual windows. That's the basics covered, but if you want a little more, check out the article linked in the description below for handy keyboard shortcuts and info on how to move windows between virtual desktops. See you next time.